How to get the blue tick on X, Twitter. First, open the X app. Ready to level up your status? Next, tap your profile icon in the top left to open your account settings. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Support, then hit Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for the X Premium or Twitter Blue option. This is your key to getting verified. Tap Subscribe to X Premium and follow the prompts to subscribe. You will need to provide payment information and pick your subscription tier. Once you have subscribed, X will review your account. If you are eligible, you will get that shiny blue check mark. Pro tip: make sure your account is complete with a bio, profile picture, and phone number. This increases your chances of getting verified. Now you are on your way to getting verified on X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.